Sangmala Tasidelek to everyone. In this short video, we will learn about the use of Google Form, and we will see how can we send automatic emails using Google Forms. First of all, what is Google Form? Google Form is a type of form by which we can send this form using the link, and we can collect the phone numbers and the contact details and other information of a participant. As for example, say you are organizing an event, you are a computer center, or you are a dharma center, or you are a event organizer and you are creating an event and you want the contact details of your participant in very easily and freely. So you can send this Google form, you can share it to the social media, and from there participant will click the link and they will fill the form, and you will get all the details of their contact and email ID and other details such that you can contact them further. And here we'll also see how can we send automatic emails, giving them the further information about your organization, about your school, or about your institution. So this is something about me. I am Juganto Sharma. I run a computer center called Yangchen Computers in New Market, Tawang. I have been in IT field from last 4 years. So these are the steps. The first steps, we are going to sign in your Gmail account, and then we will design a form. And step number 5, 6, and 7 is deal with the how can we send automatic email replies to your participants. So let's begin. First of all, I will take you to my desktop. This is my desktop, and from here you will open a browser. You can open any browser you have, like Google Chrome, Mozilla, and Internet Explorer. As for example, I am opening the Google Chrome browser, and I am going to sign in my Gmail account. I have already put my password, and so that's why it's not asking me the password and email ID. I am going to sign in to my Gmail account. The Gmail account has opened. I will click on this button and go to the Google Drive, where we will create the Google form. The Google Drive is opening here. Since the Google Drive is open, I will go to the new option, and here in the new option we will go to the more, and here we will get the Google form. So I will make a new Google form here. This is the Google form, where you can edit this Google form according to your use. Say I am using for it's my center, computer center, so I am writing it Yangchen Computer Center survey form. Putting some more details. So in Tawang. Okay, the first question we will like to ask is his name. Before that, we will also collect the email IDs of the participants. So I will go to the setting option, and here we will check this box, collect email, and save. Look at it, this will appear. This will ask in a mandatory field which is marked with red star. That means the participant will write the mail ID here. Next, I will ask their name, the first name. Say we want to add one more question, so we can click here in the plus sign, and nextly we will ask their last name. Nextly we will also ask their contact number. Say you wanna ask a multiple choice question and you want to give them options. Say I am writing as for example, are you want to join Yangchen computer Tawang? So this is the question mark. So I'm also putting, it says, since I have selected a multiple choice, I can write the options over here, or I can directly select yes or no option or maybe. And lastly but not least, we can add images of your institution. Say I'm adding a image. So I'm going to browse option, and from I will browse through my computer. I will select my logo so that the logo will appear on the bottom of the Google form. It's going to appear. Yeah, you can write more details about you can write more about your institution, or you can write anything, but I am writing the contact number just such that the students who is those are interested, they can directly call me just by seeing this form. Anyway, we will also get their contact number since I have already put this question over here, but still I am giving this Tawang New Market. So this is the details of my institution. So this is the Google form which is created here. And now the second option is that we can check the responses. So as for now, it is the 0 responses because nobody has filled this form. First you have to send this form. Okay, then to send this form we have to go to the send option over here, and you can send this form using send via email, send via link, and send via Facebook, send via Twitter. So as for example, say I am creating the link. This is very long link, so I am making it shorten, and look at it, the shortened URL is given here. You can directly copy from here, or you can share it to any WhatsApp group or any social media like Facebook groups where more participants are there. You can directly copy and paste this link. Okay, you can share this link anywhere, or you can directly post it to your Facebook account, directly clicking on the Facebook. Yeah, directly post to Facebook. Look at it, your Facebook account will open and you can directly post this one. I'm not going to post it now, so I'm already copied this link, so I will open it on a separate tab and I will see how it looks. This is the form. Say as for example, this is the form, and say I am a student or a participant of the event, and I am going to fill this form. Say I'm filling this form for demo purpose with a different email. Okay, not the same email I am creating the form. Tutorial Yangchen. I am putting a different email, and my first name, say my name is Tenzin, and say my last name is Lobsang. I'm just giving it for a demo. Contact number, say I'm writing my contact number. That is my contact number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yeah, and then are you want to join the Yangchen Computer Tawang? Obviously I will join, because Yangchen Tawang is one and only institute in Tawang which will which will provide a quality education in computer. So I'm taking this option as yes. This is the details I can note it down, or I can directly submit. So look at it, the response has been recorded. Okay, so we can see this response in our original account, say here, where we made this Google form. Look at it, the response is already appeared in this section. Look, his response, the email ID, and his name and all. And you can also see these responses in the spreadsheet format by clicking on this green button. Create a new spreadsheet and click on the create. So this is the spreadsheet, an Excel file where you can see all the details. Is say you want to send a automatic reply to this email such that whenever but as someone fill this form, this reply will automatically goes to this email address. Okay, so for this purpose you have to click on the add-on, and here in this option you have to select yet another mail merge. But if you are a new user, this is a plugin actually. Since I have already shown you to install a plugin, so I have already installed this, that's why it is not seeing over here. But if you haven't installed this plugin yet another mail merge, you have to click on the get add-on. You will add on this plugin. Plugin will open. Like there are many plugins, one of them you have to select this one, yet another mail merge. If you're not finding it, then you can search this name over here in the search box, and this will appear, and you have to install this. I have already installed, so this thing is installed. Okay, so I'm closing this window for now, and I'm selecting this yet another mail merge, and then you have to select on the start mail merge. The mail merge will be appear and starting, and it will load, need some time. This is already, it is uh, opened, and I'm selecting continue. Look at it here, you have to email templates here. The sender name is Yangchen computer, so the mail will goes to the participant on the name of Yangchen computer. But here you have to select the email templates. For that, first of all you have to make or compose the email. So I'm composing an email. Look at it, this is my email. You don't have to put the subject, don't have to put two line, you have to put the subject. Yeah, you like I'm writing thanks for your response. Say I would uh, like to put his name, the individual names. Okay, so what I can do, I'm going to the response form, and I am just clicking on their first name, and I'm just copying this, just by copying this one, and just by copying that name, and adding this less than mark twice, and control V, copying the first name, and then control C, control V, then closing this first name. This name will appear individually, and I will also giving some information about the courses. Say our first batch will start from 7th July 2020. That is actually correct, and we can also write there, so we will get back to you soon. We will get back to you soon. So this is the area where you can give the information about your event to the to the participant, to the students, and you can also write more details over here, but I'm not writing it right now. I'm just giving you a demo, so the video will be long if I write everything here. So, and this is the thing, and this draft has been saved, so you have to close this one, This is the subject line, thank you for your response, and closing it. And I have already told, go to the add-ons and go to the yet another mail marks and start the mail marks. After starting the mail marks, you have to select that template there. Yeah, we'll wait for to load it again. Look at it, this already has been logged in, so I'm going to continue and I will select the email template. Look at it, this automatically came here. Thanks for your response. So I'm selecting this one and look at it, send one email, and the email is being has been sent here. Look at it, there is an option mail mark status, email has been already sent. So I will look, I will sign into that mail ID and I will check whether the mail is received or not. So here, this is the mail ID I have put as a student mail ID or participant mail ID. So the mail ID has been being, it's loading. Yeah, look at it, the mail has automatically came here. Yangchen computers, thanks for your response, hello Tenzin, with the name. You can open this mail ID by clicking here. So look at it, hello Tenzin, our first batch will start from 7 July 2020. We will get back to you soon. So this is the thing, this is the way you can send email and create a Google form. So this Google form is always available in the uh, in your email ID in your Google Drive. So you can change this or customize this Google form anytime, or you can also send this mail ID, like you can customize this, edit this email at any point of time. So I will show you how to do it. Like, it's already in the Google Drive, the responses and the Google form, that's all. Like here, it's going to open. Look at it, it is the form, it is the form and is the responses. Okay, so this way you can send this Google form link to your social medias. You can use this, send this, and you can use this Google form to collecting participants contact number or other details. That's all. And this is, thank you for watching this video. Mm, we are starting a new batch in Yangchen Computers, New Market, Tawang. This is the contact number, you can contact us. And we are also giving some offer for the first and second batches, so don't waste the time and book your spot today. Thank you so much. Chachi Delek.